how to take part in the Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating 2025-26. Please listen carefully and follow each step to ensure smooth and successful participation. Let's get started. Participation in SHVR is simple and convenient. You may use either the mobile app or the web portal, whichever suits you the best. This presentation will further guide you step by step for participation in Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating 2025-26 using the official web portal. To register and participate through the web, here is a step-by-step guide for it. Open your web browser and go to the website link https://shvr.education.gov.in, also mentioned on the slide. This is the official portal for the Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalaya rating 2025-26. This homepage has 7 different tabs as Home, About SHVR, Guidelines, and Contact Us. When you click on the FAQ tab, the page appears as shown in the slide, showing you the frequently asked questions with their solutions. When you click the Contact Us tab, the page displayed as shown in the slide provides our contact information and availability timings. The current slide shows SHVR information filling up stages. Then you have to click on the Login or Sign Up button on the homepage. After this, you will be redirected to the Sign Up page, where you can begin the sign up process. The sign up process has 5 simple steps. In first step, you will need to enter your UDICE Plus code, CAPTCHA, and then click on Continue. Note, if you do not know your school UDICE Plus code, then it can be found on the official UDICE Plus website. In the second step of the sign up process, you have to re-enter your school UDICE Plus code, mobile number, CAPTCHA, and click Continue to receive an OTP on mobile number. In the third step of the sign up process, you have to enter OTP received on your registered mobile number and click Continue. Fourth step involves making 3 key selections. First is select your role from the drop-down menu as shown in the slide. Second, you have to select your usage of school premises from the given option in the drop-down menu. Third, you have to select yes or no for whether your school is located in a border village or not. After making 3 key selections, as soon as you click on the checkbox stating, I hereby confirm that the above details are accurate and pertain to my school and role, a pop-up appears with a button labeled I agree, which you need to click. The Verify and Proceed button is now activated, and you need to click it to move to the next step. This completes the 4th step of the sign-up process. Finally, in the 5th step, you have to create a strong password using the given instructions and then click on Sign Up. Make sure to remember this password, as you will need it along with your UDICE Plus code to log into the SHVR web portal in the future. After creating the password, a pop-up appears displaying the message Sign Up completed. This completes the sign-up process. After signing up, you are immediately redirected to the first step of completing the school profile, where you need to enter primary information in 3 steps. In the first step, you have to enter the information such as the number of students enrolled in the school, etc., as shown in the slide. Then click on Save and Next to proceed to the second step of primary information. In the second step, you need to select yes or no to indicate whether your school has received recognition at various levels under the overall school category. Then click Save and Next to proceed. From this step, you can also go back to edit the primary information entered in the first step if needed. In the third step, you need to select yes or no for 2 different questions. Then click Submit to proceed further. From this step, you can also go back to edit the primary information entered in the second step if needed. After submitting primary information, a pop-up appears displaying a message of registration successful. As soon as you click OK on the pop-up, you are redirected to homepage of SHVR website with its School Dashboard tab. After successful registration, you are redirected to the School Dashboard tab page as shown in the slide. The School Dashboard tab has 4 important buttons or sub-tabs as survey categories, upload photos, school profile, and final preview. If after signing up you get logged out due to any reason, you can log in again to the portal anytime by entering your UDICE Plus code and password on the Sign In page. To check or edit your school profile, you can click the School Profile sub-button under the School Dashboard tab on the home page as shown in the slide. Now, click the Survey Categories sub-button under the School Dashboard tab to start the survey in the participation process. Here, you can click on each survey category: water, toilet, hand washing with soap, operation and maintenance, behavior change, and capacity building, mission life activities. One by one to complete them. For your convenience, we will show you how to fill the water survey category so that you can similarly complete other 5 categories. After selecting the first category, water, you have to select the best option suited for your school for each question carefully. To ensure your responses are not lost, remember to click on Save as Draft. After completing each question section, in some questions, a question notes appear on the right side of the question, which you have to read carefully. Before answering the question, you should click on Key Indicators on the right side, top position. After clicking on Key Indicative Norms and Standards at the right side on top position, when you are on survey category water, a pop-up displaying Key Indicative Norms and Standards water also appears on the screen as shown in the slide. This information could be useful for your survey. After reading key indicators, you have to select some option for question. For example, If in question 1, we select option A, then you may not be allowed to answer certain questions, like here, if you select option A in answer of first question in survey category of water, then question number 2 to 6 are auto-disabled, as stated in the question notes. So those questions are auto-skip. Similarly, when you move to the 7th question, you will see that the first question appears in green, indicating it is completed. Question 2 to 6 appear in grey, meaning they are disabled. And the 7th question appears in orange, indicating it is the active question. On the right side, you will also see a question note, which mentions that if you select option A for the 7th question, then questions 22 and 23 in the further survey category will be disabled. After answering to the last question of this survey category, you can click on Save to Draft to save your responses and can click Next to go to the next questions. Please note that it is not necessary for every question to have a note on the right side, as shown in the slide for this particular question. After completing the survey, the Next Step button activates, and when we click on it, the Upload Photo pop-up appears. Click on the Upload Photo pop-up as shown in the slide, or you can also click the sub-button Upload Photos in the School Dashboard tab to begin the next step of the participation process, in which you have to upload the required photos. Before uploading the photos, read the instructions carefully, as shown on the slide. Also ensure that the photos are clear and match the respective categories. In order to upload photos, make sure that images are already saved on your desktop or laptop. After clicking the Upload button, you will be redirected to your computer's File Explorer, where you can select the photo to upload by double-clicking it. After uploading the photos, the screen looks as shown in the slide. You can complete this step by uploading all the required photos. Once everything is filled in and uploaded, preview the form using the Final Preview button. You cannot make any changes to your form after final submission, so preview it properly, and if any changes are required, then do it. If all looks good, click on Final Submit. After this, a pop-up appears. Pop-up asks for your confirmation for final submission, where you have to click Submit. Even at this stage, if you cancel it, then you can again make changes in your form and again submit it. After final submit, a pop-up appears again, showing congratulations, displaying the message survey submitted successfully. Your reference number of form submission is also displayed in this pop-up message. You can note down this reference number for future reference. Now you can click on the Preview button to view your submitted form and download it. After clicking on the Review button, the option of downloading the PDF appears. By clicking on the Download PDF button, your submitted form would be downloaded on your computer. With this, we have thoroughly covered participation in this web portal. Receive a certificate of participation at the end after submitting the form. This brings us to the end of this briefing session. We hope you have clearly understood the participation